Education is a fundamental right of every person which must be fulfilled as stated in the 1945 Constitution of the Republic of Indonesia, paragraph 4. To promote public welfare, education, the nation life which can provide access to educators in order to form competent human resource. Education has a very important role to improve exciting human resource. Through education, we are able to improve the abilities we have. In addition, education can also create a superior and competitive generation of quality in an effort to face the challenges that will occur in the future. Because a great country is a country that places education as a top priority. With education, any problem in that country will be more prosperous. However, for each country to develop such goals, it is not easy. It requires a commitment to building and cooperating from various parties, from various walks of life that can sustain the progress of education in Indonesia in the future. Especially in Indonesia, where currently the quality of education is very apprehensive as evidenced by survey and data on the ranking of the Human Development Index, namely ranking or appeals for education, health, and income on the Development Index in this country. Indonesia is very low. As we know, the quality of education in Indonesia is very low when compared to the quality of education in other countries. The main cause is that several factors can be from the quality of teachers, students, and learning facilities which are still said to be lacking to meet the standards in the education index. In addition, the many movement of the education budget are also often carried out by elements in school.
Karena jauh sebelum pandemi kita sudah sangat parah. Padahal anggaran pendidikan kita sudah 550 triliun tiap tahun, tetapi hasilnya itu menjadi negara yang kualitas pendidikannya salah satu yang terburuk.
It can be said that the current teachers are less competent. Many young teachers enter teachers training courses simply because they are not achieved in other majors or even because of a lack of funds during college. This view is very different from teachers who have long dedicated themselves to teaching. They already have a lot of experience teaching students and experience regarding the lesson they get. In addition, there is also the problem of teacher salary, which is an obstacle for teachers to work completely. Also, lack of guidance and direction to teachers in the development of science and technology, so that many teachers do not understand how to use a computer while many of their activities are related to it. If this phenomenon is allowed to continue, it is certain that the quality of education in Indonesia will worsen. In addition, other factors that make education in Indonesia worse off, especially for residents in underdeveloped areas or treaty, are problems related to learning facilities. There are many causes that prevent them from obtaining a normal education like most students in general, including the problem of a shortage of educators and the long distance from home to school. In fact, since the COVID-19 pandemic, the distance education system has been implemented. It has increasingly hindered treaty students from obtaining educational equality because the internet is still not evenly distributed. This results in the low quality of Indonesian education in the eyes of Southeast Asia, as evidenced by the following index. The problem of education in Indonesia is indeed complex and requires a holistic solution. The following are some solutions to consider. Improving educational accessibility. The government needs to ensure that all children have fair and equal access to quality education. This involves providing adequate educational infrastructure such as schools and means of transportation, especially in remote and inland areas. Improving the quality of education. Curriculum and teaching method reforms are necessary to ensure the relevance and competitiveness of Indonesian education. Active, creative, and innovative learning needs to be encouraged, as well as adequate use of educational technology. Improving teacher training and quality. Teachers have a very important role in improving the quality of education. The government needs to continuously improve teacher training, provide fair incentives, and increase the selection and recruitment of quality teachers. Increased investment in education. The governments need to increase the education budget and ensure that it is used efficiently. Sufficient investment is needed to build adequate educational facilities, improve teaching quality, and provide supporting resources such as adequate textbook and teaching materials. Active community involvement. Community participation is very important in improving education in Indonesia. Involving parents, community groups are the business world of supporting education will create a better educational environment. Focus on inclusive education. Inclusive education is important to ensure that children with special needs or special needs also get equal access to opportunities in education. It is necessary to improve facilities and training for teachers, as well as develop an inclusive curriculum. Promote research and development. Investing in education research and development is critical to continue to develop effective methods and policies to improve the education system in Indonesia. Strengthen monitoring and evaluation. The government needs to improve monitoring and evaluation of educational institutions to ensure quality and accountability. Increased transparency and reporting is also important so that the public can see and monitor educational development. Educational change is a long-term process, and the above solutions are only some of the steps that can be taken. It takes commitment and cooperation from various parties, including the government, community, business world, and educational institutions to achieve sustainable improvement. Our hope for education in Indonesia is that in the future the government can pay more attention to the welfare of the quality of teachers as the main component in school and pay more attention to equal distribution of the quality of educational facilities and infrastructure so that all people can receive education up to the tertiary level.
Everyone's looking at me thinking that I'm different. Everyone's looking at me thinking that I'm living, but I don't really care what they all say.